In this video I'm going to show you inside Unreal Engine 5 how you can create a simple AI to follow you and attack you. The first step, just to show you, is to add the third person feature content pack. So I already show you here in the channel. You can go in content drawer, add, and then add feature or content pack and choose third person, add to your project. This will add the third person character that comes with lots of configurations. I will bring here, and the correct way to create an AI inside the Unreal Engine is using controllers. Go to the BP third person character, you can select and then Ctrl B. And here I will create another folder. Right click with your mouse, new folder, and rename it Simple AI. Now I can click with the right button or then add blueprint class. And I can create a class called AI Controller. Look. AI Controller, select. AI Simple Controller. Select the AI Simple Controller, open it, and in Event Graph, we can make our code. Here we will say to our AI to follow our character and then attack. To do this, we need some things, like AI Perception. It's Epic Games component that already comes with detection. Select and then in config. Select and then in details you go in AI Perception, Sense config, and add Psi. Expand Sense, detection by affiliation, detect neutrals, friendlies. You need to do this or the AI will not detect correctly. The dominant sense will be sight. Almost there. This is the first step. The controller controls a character that will be our AI. Now something we need to do is, when this character is possessed by the controller, so event possess, we will make something. We will patrol. So AI move to. That's a code that will make our AI to move to somewhere. The pawn we want is get controlled pawn, because we are using here a controller, and the location is random. We want some random location in radius. So come here and get random location navigable radius. Connect these two. Here in radius we can put like 400. The origin is the get actor location. No problem being self because the controller has a location. It is basically the same of the character. And then, when success, we are going to do this again. So, to return and not make this, I'm going to make this. Click with the right button, add custom event, and then patrol. But we don't want to do this every time. Then, on success, we put patrol. If it fail, also patrol. So, compile, save, and now we have this character, that's our original character. What we do with him? If I press play, I can control a character, that's the same one is here. If we right click it and then go inside, you see Unreal Engine already configured everything for us. There's no need to create another one. Selecting BP third person character, we can go here and then AI, controller. Look, there's a class here, but it's a default one. We can change it. AI Simple Controller, the one we created. Now, when this character is being possessed by AI, we'll use this new controller. But we have another configuration to do here. Type possess in details, and then auto possess AI. By now, if you put this character on the world, he will be possessed by AI, but if you spawn, will not be. So, you need to place it in Word or spawn it. Now, by default, this character will be possessed by our AI when we press play. But how this character can understand the world around him? How can understand that it's not possible to walk here? For that, there is something called Nav Mesh Bounds Volume. So, we are going to Window, Place Actors, Nav Mesh Bounds. You put here, press R, and then expand. We're going to expand this, expand, maybe not so big, 40 here, 20 here. That's great. Now if we press P, he understands. The green color is where he can walk. Now if I simulate, he can walk. And then he walk and finish his walk, he walk. If I go to AI Simple Controller, in debug, I can see what's happening. Patrol, and then success, patrol, and that's forever. Great. And now if I want this character to follow my player character, let's play. Now I'm here, but nothing's happening. Let's go to the AI controller. Here in AI perception, I will call an event on target perception updated. From here, I will call print string, just to test it. Hey, I see you. If I try now, look. Hey, I see you. I see you. I see you is happening. This is working by default, but if it's not, you have to add the stimuli source. In your player character controller, you have to add stimuli source or may not work. So add in your project auto register source, and then if it was not working, will work now. Compile, save. It's not normal to work without, but it worked. And that's it. It's self-explanatory, but when the AI controlled by this controller sees someone, this event is triggered. So I will delete this, and simple like that, I will create something like AI move to. The pawn is the controlled one, and we want this character to move to the target actor or character, or the player character. Get player character. The same I did here, I will do here. Add custom event, follow player, chase player. And I will call it here, chase player. On success and fail. Let's play. It's patrolling. And now he's coming. He's coming. And before I teach you how you can create some attack, I just need to ask you to hit the like button or share this video with someone. This will help me and other folks discover this video. So, to attack, how can we attack? The attack can be called here on success. How? Instead, we chase player, we play anim montage. And in order to play anim montage, you need a character or a skeletal mesh. You need this information. So, how can we get this information? One easy way is to cast. When this controller possesses our character, we can cast to third-person character. This is our AI character. Right button, promote variable. We can F2 to rename AI character. And now we can use it here. And here's where you add your anim montage, your attack anim montage. I don't have any in my project. You can buy it or even make, but just to show you, I find one here in my project. One just for example. This one just for fun. Let me find it. So, you will grab your attack animation and then you create anim montage. Create anim montage. Like this. This anim montage will play on its default slot. I can change it. I can create others. And this slot is created in the animation blueprint. So, in your third-person character, I can select my mesh, go to ABP Unarmed C, open it, anim graph, and you see there's a default slot here already. So this will work probably. I'm going to this animations folder, Ctrl C. Let me save it all on my controller, and I'll select this animation. Complete, save, and let me test it. Look. Something like that. You can increase the radius here, like 50. Come. He's playing all the time. He's playing the animation. You can hold D on your keyboard to grab a delay. Hold Ctrl to put this here. Connect this one. And now, when the animation is being played, there is a delay with the animation duration. And then he will start to chase the player again. Of course, you have to use attack animation to make some sense. But there is it. Let's say I make something like I remove this part and then I remove this part. Let's test it. Maybe 100. Follow me. Look. Better. Way better. But we have to use your imagination. And that is the easiest way you can create an AI that can patrol, and then if you see the player follows him, please smash that like button to support me and help others find this video. Thanks for watching all the way through. See you next time.